welcome back to the channel. This is Akshata Pagar and today we have a big day. I'm shooting for one of my favorite brands. It's called L'Oreal. I've been manifesting this shit for so long. You guys have no clue. Ever since I started doing makeup, my first product was Revlon and L'Oreal. A lipstick by L'Oreal. And I've been so happy that I get to work with them. So today is a very exciting day and we are doing an outdoor shoot. I usually don't do outdoor shoots. I literally put a camera and shoot in my room because I prefer listening to music and then doing the shoot and be like, oh yeah, I'm doing it in my room, it's work from home. But today we are going outdoors. And if you can't tell, I'm fucking nervous that I'm going to screw this up. And I'm so nervous, I just can't tell you how nervous I am. Right now, I am excited. It's gonna be a long freaking day and I don't have my outfit yet because I bought it but then it needed alterations. So the Mango people were so sweet. They were like, yeah, we'll do it for you. And I was like, I still have to get it. Before that, I do have a few things to shoot. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna enjoy doing that. And then go to an orbit. By the way, I just got a pimple on my face all because of the mangoes that I've been having and devouring. Because it's summer, you gotta have some mangoes. And look at this, look at this. Right when I wanted my skin to look like a motherfucking angel, it pops out. It pops out. I'm gonna put some ointment on it and then come back, do my skincare. If you can't see, I've already done my hair because I wanted to feel special. I usually keep it as is, but today I just wanted it to look a little bougie, so I curled it from the ends. By the way, the curler that I have, I bought it in 10 standard, so it's almost a decade old, but my hair looks nice. That's what I like. Let's go, let's do the skincare. Also, can you believe I literally did a workout routine today because I'm like, I really want to look snatched in this post, so I'm like, let's do a quick workout. There are a lot of spot correcting creams, but the one that really works for me is turmeric. I'm so basic. A classic basic bitch. We've got turmeric, a little bit of honey. Oh, also by the way, I took a shower, but I didn't do my skincare because I wanted to do this. So I did my hair instead of doing my skincare, but I missed my face. So you know, the pores are closed and clean, so you don't have to worry about it. Not a lot of people follow me on YouTube, you know, but a lot of people follow me on Instagram. But as much as I don't know, I feel like my personality is totally different on YouTube. It's more unfiltered. On Instagram, it has to be more aesthetic. Like, fuck the aesthetics, be the real you. I'm just gonna bring my coffee. And also, I don't know how to explain to people that why I do this. I mean, how do you explain to someone that you actually get pleasure by talking to yourself in the camera and then reading the comments and be like, there's someone who relates to me? Me? But you know, I have a very good personality. That's what I'd love to say. I'm gonna wash it off. It's been 5 minutes. I'm hoping it's been 5 minutes. Hi Tulsi, what's up?
Hello, what's up?
What's up? Come sit. You guys, since you already know that I don't have the outfit for that, so right now we're going to Mango because I sent it for alteration and now I'm getting it. By the way, you guys already know who Tulsi is because she's been introduced multiple times now. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Okay, so keys. Keys. And we are extremely late. If we can't do it today, then we'll have to do it tomorrow. But I'm very much determined to do it today. I mean, I will do it today even if the brand doesn't approve. See, I'm telling you, London. Yeah, this is the best perfume. It's called as London, Paris, New York by Westside.
But then I love Paris one. You should
Definitely, yeah.
Go try that.
My Paris broke down. If you go on my Instagram, there's a reel जिसमें एक photo है as a cover photo, which looks so absurd, but yeah, it did break. And by the way, the top I'm going to buy today, it's so good. It's so modest, but at the same time, it's so luxurious. Like it feels so luxurious. But if you look it in a photo, you'll be like, yaar, ye to common sa top hai. Anyone can use it. But that's the beauty about it. This top is 10 years old. When I was in 11, that's when I got this for 500 rupees from H&M. I've used it multiple times, more than 500 times, and you guys have seen it so many times. These pieces, when I invest in them, they're supposed to be lasting forever, and that's what I love about clothes. What do you, she's wearing a blue shirt. What do you think about that? You can come into the frame, babes. Menace has good brands. H&M has good brands.
Yes.
Zara, if you find a good deal on sale, go grab it now, because the Zara clothes, I'm telling you guys, every time I put a Zara dress or a Zara top on, there's
Bougie.
something about them that just makes you feel 100% confident, and it just hugs me. I think for me it hugs very nicely. H&M on the other side, it doesn't hug me that well, so I just buy my staple pieces from them. But Zara is my babe. Zara is my babe. Neff's Find is my babe. Today the skirt that I'm gonna show you guys is from Neff's Find, and it's so good. I've got few pieces from them. The yellow skirt is also from them.
Yeah, ever since I have been started working with you,
Yeah.
Neff's Find is one
The first
brand
time I
that
met
you
you,
talk about.
yeah, the first time I met her,
Yeah,
I was
you
wearing
had-
Neff's piece. I'm supporting.
Bro, we need coffee brands to sponsor us.
Yeah. My parents are going out this weekend,
Huh.
so I'm going to Ahmedabad just for Rakhad Patti. Do you wanna come?
Yeah, okay, I'll come.
I'm just going because I'm like, I wanna, like, the cafes there are so good. Ahmedabad cafes are so good.
I
Yeah,
saw this one reel. उसका
You have to-
cafe इतना प्यारा है.
You have to go to this one, जो IIM के अंदर है.
Okay.
And there's one more called as क्या भैंचो? There's one more called as, what is it? Mleko. I've been there once and oh my god, it's so good. Like you can spend your day वहाँ पे and you won't even realize it's that good. So the only reason I'm going is 9 बजे Sunday को वहाँ पे कोई बाजार लगता है जहाँ पे vintage cameras मिलता है. If I yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and for that, what do you say? For the coffee, I'm going. That's it. फिर मैं शाम को आ जाऊँगी because my parents will be there on Sunday. So I want to be home before they are home, you know.
A little update. We are here at Mango to pick the outfits.
Women section. This is the outfit. Very cute, very nice. The only thing is, I forgot to bring shoes. So these are the two options now. That's asshole I am, but it's okay. I think I'll go with this one, and just for photos, I'll like switch in and wear it.
लगेगा यार. Okay, fine.
By the way, I applied this lipstick 3 years ago. It's still there.
Honest reviews.
Yeah, honest reviews on this channel only. That's it.
Oh my god.
Really? Oh fuck! It is so cute. You know, I'm gonna post this. She takes the best photos.
Thanks.
No shit. I am an HR. I hire the best people around.
Yeah.
It's been
Yummy
1 hour.
cheesecake.
Yeah.
This is something grape. And
These are the lipsticks. These are the lipsticks, and it's been sitting on the counter for 1 hour because we were trying to figure out what light goes best.
But the lipstick is still good.
Yeah, this lipstick is still on. See? We do not promote shitty things on this page, you guys. नहीं मुझे कोई नहीं, मुझे सब लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Not in that way, but it's okay. For me, it's okay. Apparently, this shoot was taken on camera. And I didn't know you were going to say this, but it's recording now. But let's okay.
See, I was not saying it for the sake of saying it. She loves me and I love her back.
Yeah, she has the best camera skill. Like she knows how to capture my angles better than I do. Yeah. Let me take yours.
Again.
Yeah, your background is literally a mess. Look at that. Oh my god. Arey, it's okay. Chal. Bye. Nobody knows that I'm going. And nobody watches my vlogs to know that I'm going.
That is
Bye.
a bonus.
Yeah, which is a bonus. Shall bye.
Bye.
Go safe, huh? You wanna see Bhuri? Half of it is yet to be shot, but like I was happy that I get to work with big brands. If the outcome is not nice, that means the execution part was not nice and I have to work on that. But I don't know, like for first comers, I think behind the scenes stress is so much, like so much of feedback these people give you. At least L'Oreal did not give me that much. The other brands give so much. Like you're like, bitch, I don't want to do it. Please, I don't want to do it. But L'Oreal was pretty nice, I must say this. They just had like few things that you have to follow. Like you have to follow. Also, I'm gonna clean the room. See you guys tomorrow. And if you're still watching, spammies, you get a cookie.